the BullHorn. As you know, this show is often about momentum stocks, and we on CNN Money recently did a gallery of 10 hot stocks that have more than doubled in the past year, our triple-digit club. Howard Lindzon's going to break it down and talk about some of those stocks with us. We're going to start off with Travelzoo. What's your take on them?
Travelzoo is just one that I missed. It's a great example of a company that is a public play on a private trend right now, which is the group coupon discount. Travelzoo nailed it. They reinvented themselves. Institutions flowed into this stock, just plain missed it, not chasing it up here, but well done, Travelzoo.
They do seem to have that kind of Groupon of travel type mentality to them, so it'd be interesting to see if they do well going forward. Green Mountain, that's been a big star, and it just got even better in terms of stock performance after they did their deal with Starbucks. What do you think on that one?
Hall of Fame company. What makes it so Hall of Fame, nobody owns it still. Everybody was shorted, and 99% of people on the street outside CNN headquarters in Manhattan wouldn't know what the company is, yet they use the product. Coffee, 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 tremendous distribution, huge short interest, great management, great margins, Hall of Fame stock.
Definitely. Yeah, it is amazing how the hedge funds just seem to love to hate that one. Fossil, the watchmaker. I don't know if you can see, I've got a Fossil watch that I'm wearing, several years old, gift from my wife. It's a great product, but it just doesn't have the same cachet as the luxury brands, but it's been a great stock.
They've become very much, I guess, a Lululemon or an Apple around accessories. And I just completely missed on this, but it's a great lesson in growth. You know, if you catch a right retailer with good margins, upscale, it's like the fast casual of accessories, they've nailed it.
You just mentioned Lululemon. That's another one on our list. We've talked about it a lot. You still like it, or is the yoga trend, starting to maybe look faddish?
I sold it in the low 90s. I don't have any particular reason, as I've been getting stopped out of some momentum stocks, and I had a great run there. And they've got that core understanding of their consumer and a high margin business. You know, it's going to be tough to stop them. I don't know if at $90, $100 I want to own the stock, but at the same time the momentum guys have no reason to sell it.
Moving on, Weight Watchers, another really hot momentum stock, more than doubled. They've been lifting guidance pretty consistently.
Don't have a feel about this industry, but obviously thin is the new fat. Fat has been a great way to make money in the stock market. And thin is in right now, and Weight Watchers has had a storied history, but selling people thin is back in.
Open Table, if you use that one too much, you might need some of the Weight Watchers, but what do you think on that one?
Well, Open Table cracked. I mean, the CEO left. It was well planned, I'm sure. Great timing for the CEO to leave. So, you've got a change of investors. Some people own the stock just because of the CEO, so it's going to take some time here. I didn't own the stock. It's going to depend what they do with their stock, and it's going to depend on the talent and how they execute now around the restaurants and putting butts in seats. But, a leader.
Netflix, what do you think?
I think I'm dumb. I sold it in the 140s here on the BullHorn, made some money. But I think what Netflix continues to prove about the stock market is very hard to quantify momentum. So you got the TV in your lap, you got Netflix providing, the connection, and you got the content companies, CBS, ESPN, given the content. Everybody seems to be making a little more money in that stream, or at least the institutions think so, and Netflix is the play.